What does it really mean for an AI to think? Today, we're diving deep into the frontier has shifted. Cloud versus Gemini, two architectures. One question: which controls the reasoning layer? The AI race is no longer about who can generate the most text or process the largest context window. Enterprise buyers increasingly evaluate models based on reliability, governance, reasoning quality, and operational efficiency. As AI becomes embedded into business critical workflows, model behavior matters more than benchmark leadership. The strategic decision is no longer simply choosing a model, it is choosing the architecture that governs decision making at scale. But here's where it gets interesting: the industry bottleneck. Reliability without scale is toy, scale without reliability is noise. Early foundation model competition focused heavily on parameter growth and capability expansion. Organizations soon discovered that larger models alone do not eliminate hallucinations, inconsistency, or operational risk. Prompt engineering improved outputs but rarely provided deterministic guarantees. The unresolved challenge remains delivering trustworthy reasoning while maintaining speed, multimodal capability, and economic viability. So, what's the real problem? Let's talk about architectural divergence, why they chose different paths. Claude emphasizes controllability, reasoning quality, safety alignment, and structured decision making. Gemini emphasizes scale, multimodal understanding, ecosystem integration, and high throughput inference. These approaches reflect different assumptions about where intelligence becomes reliable. One philosophy prioritizes auditability and governance. The other prioritizes information bandwidth and universal input handling. This is not a feature comparison. It is a disagreement about how advanced AI systems should operate. This raises a critical question: the hybrid reality. The market chose combination over purity. Real-world deployments reveal strengths and weaknesses in both approaches. Claude often excels in planning, constraint management, and complex reasoning workflows. Gemini often excels in multimodal ingestion, large context retrieval, and real-time interactions. Enterprises increasingly route workloads dynamically instead of committing to a single foundation model provider. Model selection is becoming a routing problem rather than a loyalty decision. Now let's zoom in on system architecture. Dual engine deployment pattern. Modern AI stacks increasingly separate planning, execution, verification, and synthesis into independent stages. Different models can be assigned to different workflow phases based on their strengths. Routing layers determine which engine receives each task and when verification is required. Competitive advantage emerges from orchestration logic rather than any individual model endpoint, not competition orchestration. Here's something most people overlook: concomitant breakdown. What each provides: structured reasoning and long-form analysis, strong governance, and safety-oriented behavior. Reliable tool usage patterns, better support for traceable decision processes. Native multimodal processing across text, images, audio, and video. Large context information retrieval. Fast response generation for interactive applications. Deep integration with large-scale cloud ecosystems. One tends to optimize trust. The other tends to optimize throughput. Think about this for a second. Production workflow. Enterprise reference architecture. Requests begin with intent classification, risk assessment, and policy evaluation. Retrieval systems gather relevant business context, documentation, and external information. Planning layers generate execution strategies constrained by organizational rules. Execution layers perform actions while verification systems continuously evaluate outcomes. Higher reliability, stronger governance, and improved operational visibility compared with single model workflows. And this is where things get complex. Impact. Hybrid systems outperform single model systems. Combining complementary capabilities often improves task completion rates on complex workflows. Verification layers reduce hallucinations and execution failures before they reach end users. Routing logic allocates workloads more efficiently than relying on a single model for every task. Organizations gain flexibility as new foundation models emerge and competitive dynamics shift. The orchestration overhead is frequently justified for high value business processes. But here's where it gets interesting: future 2026, 2027, convergence or specialization. One possibility is convergence, where leading models increasingly adopt each other's strengths. Another possibility is specialization, where models focus on distinct operational roles. Enterprises may ultimately operate heterogeneous AI fleets rather than standardizing on one provider. The value layer could migrate upward from models toward orchestration, governance, and workflow design. Current signal the orchestration layer is becoming strategically important. So, what's the real problem? Let's talk about strategic conclusion. There is no single winner. Use reasoning focused models for planning, verification, compliance, and high stakes decisions. Use multimodal, high throughput models for retrieval, media understanding, and real time interactions. Build infrastructure that can route intelligently across multiple model providers. Maintain ownership of orchestration, evaluation, and workflow governance. Models become interchangeable over time. Workflows create durable advantage. The organization that owns the router owns the margin.